everyone, this is Coach Julio and I hope you are well. So I wanted to do a really quick video on some topics that are not trending, and basically I want to ask for your help. So some of what I'm going to talk about briefly is food insecurity, mental health, and some other related community concerns. So the best part, the beautiful part about social media, that many of our communities, doesn't matter if you're in Boston, Malden, Massachusetts, the West Coast, South Coast, etc., have these needs today, but the phone number and the resources may be different. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to provide some national numbers for National Hunger Hotline, and then another number for mental health. And I'm going to ask if you have any local numbers for your community, if you can post it in the comment. So within your sphere of influence, people can see that it's available, because you never know who's looking at your timeline, who's looking at your post, and they may quietly use those services. Because I'll speak from experience, there was a time that I actually had to use services for my own food insecurity, and we are in the spirit of giving. So let me give you a couple of quick numbers. So for the USDA National Hunger Hotline, it's 1-866-3-HUNGRY. For the National Suicide Prevention Line, Lifeline, is 800-273-8255. And all of this came about, yesterday was my first day back as an EMT, and I 100% saw that those resources are being used, let's just say that, and the need is still great. I'm just going to throw out there are also shelters that can also benefit from your support, not necessarily just volunteering. You can also donate money, but just even sharing their information so other people. So basically $1 from 100 people is fantastic versus one person giving $100. It's about community. We'll take both. And the last thing I'm going to share this thing is a hope quote. Hope is important because it can make the present moment less difficult to bear.